Okay, in today's video, we have the heavy-duty Detel M-2H vertical drilling machine. This features 2 rows of 25 spindles with 32mm spacing. The distance between each line can be adjusted from 5-inch minimum to 25 inches and is controlled by 2 separate digital readouts. We can also adjust this to a drilling depth of up to 2.5 inches. Each head is also driven by its own separate motor and has a Rotex clutch for smooth operation. As you can see, this machine does drill from beneath. It also has dust collection ports on the sides of each row. As always, hit us up with any questions, comments, or concerns. This machine is available immediately and can be seen under power in our Northern California showroom. Thanks for watching.